There are people out there right now earning from my favorite boring business model. It is a business model where you can run it just as one person. You can hire a VA if you want to, but you don't have to. And on top of that, you can do 90% of the work with AI. It is a local newsletter. And in this video, I want to show you our local newsletter content planner. Now we have all of these videos here over on our YouTube channel that you can watch. And they all focus on one thing, and that is helping you start your local newsletter. So this sounds like something you're interested in, then I would definitely go away and check out these videos. But what I want to show you is this local newsletter content planner. Now, I do have videos coming out in the next few days where I break down particular niches, combinations of audiences and locations that you could get inspiration from in order to start your own local newsletter. But all you have to do is think of a target audience that you want to serve. Who do you want to provide value to? And you put it in here. Then you need to pick your location. It could be a city, it could be a county, it could be a state, it could be a town. It's completely up to you. What the AI tool is going to do is it's going to combine your audience along with your location and help you plan out your newsletter. If you want to, you can give it some extra information. So if there's something you definitely want to consider or a particular focus you have, you can put it there. You scroll down, you hit submit, and then this thing will work and it will kick out for you the content that you can include in your newsletter. This tool is completely for free. You can find it down in the description of this video. And like I said, if there are any particular local newsletter ideas you want to test out, you can come through to this and you can do it yourself. If there's any questions you have about local newsletters, how to make money from them, how to write them with AI, how to grow them using AI, put those questions down in the comments and we can turn those questions into a video. We'll see you in the next one.